Is this recording actually started? Yeah, it started. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. Have every single one of you is doing well. So today is a Monday, which is 13th of November 2023, which is around 7 a.m. in the morning. The London station is about to open like hour ahead, 1 hour ahead. This is the 4 hour time frame, and here is a DXY dollar index. This is the 4 hour time frame. So as you can see, the 4 hour time frame on DXY dollar index. So for me, I used to look at the DXY in order for me to just make a actual decision on GBPUSD or Euro USD. Which side of the market should I just be focused on? So for me, this is exactly what I am looking at GBPUSD. So from the beginning of October, not from the beginning of October, from the 10th of October to 11th of October, we see the market shifted from bullish here, then to bearish. Then we see the fullback. Then we see another leg form. Then we see the fullback. Then we see the market shift here, and then it didn't hold that long to see it didn't hold that long. So highs, another highs form to turn bullish again, then market decided to turn bearish again. So which is we're still in a bearish leg on a higher time frame, which is 4H time frame. So where is my trading range? Where should I focus more to take my to be more focused on price action? So from this leg that took out this liquidity to the top side, to this low that form, this is my 4 hour time frame trading range, and this is the area I should have to focus more on price action, just to make any decision that I like to take a flow trade on 4 hour time frame pro trend, which is short position on 4 hour time frame. So kamar yadda muka yi expecting cewa from the last week of November, which is 6th of November 2023, we expect to see the fullback at least 50% of the leg, 50% of my premium and discount pricing. So we see the price action respected this 50% of the equilibrium of the leg, which is 50% of the leg, and respected this 4 hour time frame FVG. This is 4 hour time frame fair value gap, and on lower time frame we started to see the market shift. So for me, it makes sense for me to take a short position from here on dollar index and buy position from GBPUSD or Euro USD. But I have to keep that in mind. This area is very, very important to me. This area is very, very important to me because of why we're still in this leg until the market broke this leg. Yes, but for now I might look to take a short position from here to continue to the downside because of why we built this 50% of this equilibrium of the leg, which is okay. So as long as the price action visit this 50% of the leg of the 4 hour time frame trading range, it makes sense for me to take a short position from here. Yes, it makes sense for me to take a short position from here on dollar index scanner. So let me walk you through GBPUSD to show you what I expected to see on a higher time frame. As long as I'm told you, this is my trading range on a 4 hour time frame on dollar index, and we catch some moves around this to take a long position from DXY and short position from GBPUSD. So I mainly focus on GBPUSD. Sometimes I don't look at any fair. Let me delete all of this. So let me walk you through GBPUSD. So the GBPUSD, exactly the same thing that happened on GBPUSD. From as I'm told you, we shifted from bullish to bearish on the XY. So now we shifted from bullish to bearish, from bearish to bullish on GBPUSD, which is here. You see, so for me now, you see the market broke this strong high that formed, which is the fullback of this leg, then we see the fullback, then we see the market broke again. So for me, this is gonna be my trading range that I like to look for an entry around this time, around this. So as I'm told you, on dollar index, on dollar index we took a buy position, then on we took a buy position, we are looking to take a buy position from here, which is counter trend on 4-hour time frame. So on GBPUSD we took a short position from here last week, and then we took a short position from here to take a counter trend on a 4-hour time frame, because of a 4-hour time frame is actually bullish. So if we take a short position from here, we just trend against the 4-hour time frame. So as I'm told you, the DXY the GBPUSD revisit not just the 50%, it turns into the discount pricing, which is mitigated this 4H order block, which is 4H demand zone, that I like to take a short position from. Well, not short position, long position from. So for me, it makes sense for me to take a long position from here this week. This week is Monday. If you look at time rational, time here, timing. If I just, you see the Monday 13th of November 2023, now it's 7 p.m. 7 a.m. in the morning, not p.m., which is London UK time. London session is about to open. My time is actually correlated with London session. Yeah, so makes sense for me. This is gonna be my trend from this high, from this low to this high, and the market revisit this discount price in the leg. Then I can see when we took out this high. So let me walk you through the M15 time frame to see if we could get a good look. So on dollar index, we mitigated this FVG, and it makes sense if we see the M15 time frame started to shift it from bearish to bullish from here. Okay, full back, then broken. As long as this low been broken, I'm definitely 100% going to look for buy position, one short position from DXY. Yeah, we broke this high, then we fall back. Now just let me see the clearly market structure. Just the price action last week on Friday is just making choppy around this time. I don't know. We broke this high, which, where is the high, where is the lowest point that broke this high? Well, this was a fullback, and this was a low that broke this high, so which means this is the lowest point that broke this high. This is the highest point that formed after this BMS. So we see the fullback, then broke this low. We see the fullback here. We see the impulsive to the downside, broke this low. We see the fullback here, and then we see another impulsive leg. Then the market just broke and clear all of this liquidity that rested above this here, which is London high. London high. Let me look. Yes, when Frankfurt high, London high. So and broke a New York session highs again here from here. So it makes sense, which is trendline liquidity just formed here, and the market wiped out. So in order for me to look for any action right now, definitely this low has to go. This low must go. Then I will look for short position like this. Take a short position from here. It makes sense to take a short position from here. Yes, to continue to melt the price to the downside on dollar index. Yes, the market, it's already tells me the bearishness. It shows us the bearishness of the price action after we see the mitigation of the 50% of the leg and mitigation of the POH on fair value gap here. Makes sense. So let me walk you through the GBPUSD. So the GBPUSD is already moving. It's already moving. So after we mitigate the 4 hour or the 4 hour demand zone on the higher time frame, and we mitigate the discount pricing, you see how the price action started to develop. If we look at the structural market, we broke this low and we just fall back here, and then we broke here, and we fall back here, and we broke here. So this is the highest point that broke this low, and this is the lowest point that formed after we see the broken this low. So so that means this was gonna be my trading range. This was gonna be my trading range from here to here. Then we see the price action broke. Okay, after we broke, we immediately just pull back a little bit. When price action develop liquidity, then sweep the liquidity, then price action expansion to the upside here. Yes, makes sense. We have to take a short position from wherever. So for now, the market just continually moving, and we see the block of market structure here. Break of previous daily high, yeah, which is sell side buy side liquidity. Makes sense. So buy side, which is buy side liquidity, and the market broke it. This is the highest point that formed around last Friday of November. Yeah. So now you see some rejection from here, because we take out two side of liquidity. We take out the buy side liquidity, which is previous daily high, and we take out the Asian low that formed on this Monday, which is this high. So the market can actually give us the confirmation. Maybe we will retrace back up again here before we see the M1 time frame or M5 time frame to take a short position, which is counter trending. Then we look to take a buy position. Maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. Yes. So now for me, that is exactly what I've been looking to on GBPUSD. Yo. So I think I'm gonna leave you that here. But the actual trend is already changing. Let me mark out my actual trend. This was the VMS that formed market structure VMS shift. Yes, external market structure shift from here. Yeah, external market structure shift. 14. Yes, so another leg just formed here. Bullish market structure, BMS bar. So another leg just formed. So we have to focus here more on here. Because of this leg that formed, we see the fullback, we see the breaking. Of course. So now I'm looking at this demand to take a long position, because we filled up, price build up inducement, which is good. Which is good. Price build up inducement here. So it makes sense to take a short long position from here, 100%. But don't expect to see, if price just sweep this low with the candle body close, it's okay. It makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense for me to continually looking for long position from here. Because of why? Because of this was the Asian low that was being introduced around this time from the market open. From the market open from here, and the market make a little bit range and making build up structure. So it makes sense if we see that this low just been swept. Let me mark this out. Asian low. Not just an OV, just an Asian low. Yeah, bottom. Yes, it makes sense if you see the price action swept at this low. But let me walk you through the. Maybe I can see the M1 time frame confirmation from here. So I think the setup just pumped right here. Let's see how these candlesticks go. Close. Makes sense to take a short position from here. The 5 pips SL, which is I'm gonna risk 50 USD. For no. Short position. Yeah, I just took out the short position from here. Let's see how it goes. Let me mark this. So after this candlesticks, just close. 6 pips. I think I risk not just 50 USD, 60 USD, which is 6 pips. Yeah, 6 pips on a standard lot size is, think market, yeah, 1 to 7.2, maybe 2R. I can bank like 2R here. Yes. Just took out this live already. Don't know. God, so this was going to be the area of reaction that we definitely going to react at this. But if price broke on this, so I immediately going to move my SL to B because of what? The price action. The London session is still not open, but I see a chance to get involved. But let's wait and watch. As long as this demand, M1 demand been broken, I'm good to go. Yeah, 2%. So I think I'm gonna leave you that here. The reason why is okay, let me show you what I see, because I took this entry because we see the market make a structure here, then make another structure here, then broke on this high, and then broke on this low, and then we see the fullback. We see the mitigation of this order block, we see the mitigation of this FVG, and we see the M1 time frame confirmation, the candlesticks, which is telling me that the market, this bearish candlesticks confirms me to take a short position from here. But if we broke this, if the market just broke this high again, I know I am completely in the wrong side of the market, which is okay. I just have to wait to see the price action continue. You see the market still moving in my direction, in the opposite direction that I just sold out. It's all good. I know I was wrong if the market broke this high again. I know I was wrong. I'm just wait to see the price action develop more and more price action. Oh, the market still goes in my opposite direction. I am in drawdown. I'm in drawdown, to be honest. Definitely. Yeah, of course. Let's wait and watch and see what the price action is going to do. So I'm gonna leave you that here. Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you the trade breakdown. Not just it, yeah, it is the trade breakdown, but I not be able to get involved in this move, which is massive. In the market, the GBPUSD makes more than almost 220 pips yesterday. The CPI news grabbed the market just like crazy, which is aligned with my technical analysis. So y'all know me. I'm not just a type of trader who used to just love to trade the news event. I hate the news event because the news event humbled me so many times, taught me so many times. So I just told myself I just have to stay away from trading news event like forever. I'm not a gambler, I'm a trader. Oh yes, of course I'm a trader, I'm not a gambler. So the news event really fucked me so much, so many times. Yeah, of course. So the market moves like crazy, as I've told you before. The market moves like a crazy on GBPUSD. On both pages, EU, GU, GBP, JPY. All of this page move like a crazy. Yeah. We end up I think the data of the data of that comes out from the USD yesterday on CPI news. It's not positive. I guess it's not a positive, but yeah, it's negative. Let me check the forex factory yesterday, not just today. So we have let's move on for 14th November. Yeah. Yeah, 14th November. Yes, of course, market. Yeah. You see the news event is about to is where meant to release around this time, which is Nigerian time 1:30 1:30 1:30. Yeah, of course. So you see, this was the forecast. This was the forecast. This was a focus. This was a focus. The market. The news event. I think I'm just kind of didn't understand. Oh, this was a focused. The focus of the news event is at 0.3%, and they expected to be at 0.3%, and then the news event come out with 0.2%, which is the weakness on GBPUSD. Yes, weakness on GBPUSD. And the second one, CPI then Shima, they focused it on 0.4%, and the actual yes, the actual one news event on GBP on the CPI is 0.1%, and this is what they forecasted the market is about to, the news event is about to do, and you see the result, 0.00. They forecast it to is gonna be this, and this was the result, and this is the current moment before the news event of the CPI was being at 0.1%, and they forecast it to go from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to, but it didn't move any, it didn't shows any result. It's 0.00, which is negative. That is the reason why we see the massive push on GBPUSD. So for example, let me show you the dollar index. So just like I told you last time on the, I think on Monday 13th of November, I do my analysis. Yes, I think so. On that day I do it. Yes, on Monday I do my analysis on Monday morning before the London session, just often. I'm gonna show you everything. So I just like I'm told you, we still in a bearish manner on dollar index, which is this is the 4-hour time frame. Just to kind of confuse anyone, this is the 4-hour time frame. We still in a bearish manner, and we fall back into the just like I'm told you, we pull back into the 50% of the leg, which is the equilibrium of the leg. From here to this low, this was a leg. This is our leg to look for an entry. Maybe this extreme supply, or this the market mitigate the 4-hour time frame FVG, 4-hour time frame FVG, 4-hour time frame FVG, and as I'm told you, as long as I see the M15 time frame shows me the sign of weakness, the market is about to go down. Yes, everything is aligned with me. Yes, as I told you, if I'm taking a bearish scenario on dollar index, so that means I have to take a bullish scenario on GBPUSD and Euro USD. So on Monday, the GBPUSD didn't provide me a good setup, so I didn't provide me a good setup to get involved, and I just took 2 SL. I'm at -2% down from my account on Monday. I'm trying to take a counter trend position. So as I'm told you, GBPUSD, as long as I see the M15 time frame on Monday, price action shows me the momentum of the price, or momentum of the price action is about to go down. So I'm definitely going to go down with the price action. Yo, yes, just like I'm told you, this, I said this low has to go. If you remember my analysis, this low has to go in order for me to look for short position, maybe this supply, this supply, and this is exactly what is happening. So on Monday, as I'm told you, I took the counter trend. I'm just trying to, as long as I see this previous daily low and this previous structure being broken, so this is telling me that we take out the sell side liquidity. So definitely, but not definitely, expected to see the market just pull back into the extreme supply. This is exactly what I've done. I just took out 2 SL here. I'm just trying to take a counter trend on dollar index, which is buy, and short position on GBPUSD. I'm going to show you the analysis on GBPUSD, which is here is the Monday. So I took out 2 losses. I'm done. 2 down, minus 2% of my account. I'm done for the day. I'm done. So this action happened around New York session. So you all know me. I'm not just the type of trader who used to trade London and trade New York, but it's okay if you do that. But for me, I just have something aside trading that I'm actually doing, which is I have a part-time job. Not just a part-time job. It is my job. It is my job since day one. Yeah, I'm a tailor. Yes, of course I am a tailor. So on GBPUSD, we are looking to take a short position. So on GBPUSD, this is the M15 time frame on dollar index. Yeah, DXY. Makes sense. This is the dollar index. Let me move out to the 4-hour time frame. So I do tell you this was going to be the target that I like to take a short position here. So just for the weakness of the GBPUSD, that the news event was being released on 14th of November yesterday, this caused massive volatility of the market. Which is we see here. This candlestick is massive. As long as whenever you see this candlestick, it's just a news event, just like this here, last Friday of November. Friday of November, first Friday of November, which is 3. Yes, if you check out the timing and price here, if I just place my cursor on this candlestick, you see the down Friday 3 of November 2023. Yes, This is the CPI. And we see the rebalance of the price action of the CPI. Then we see another leg just pump. This event is a driver of the market. I told you, it's just causing the volatility, not the direction. This event is causing the volatility of the market, not the direction. Yes. But as I've told you before, I'm not just kind of type of trader who used to trade on this event. I'm not trading this event. No, I'm stay away from it. Yes. Let me show you the GBPUSD, the trade that I was been missing, and the losses that I take. I missed the trade on Tuesday, and I lost the trade on Monday. That is the reality of the trading. You know the direction. You know you did the right thing at the right time, but you still making series of losses. Yes, of course, this is trading. You did the right thing at the right time, but you still make stupid losses. Yes, I make stupid losses. I just kind of move on. So as I'm told you on Monday price action on agency before the London session often, I just do analysis on this here. I'm just kind of prefer to take a buy position as long as I see the M15 tells me to do so. Yes, just like the opposite, here, just like the opposite of the direction of the market on dollar index. This is the 4-hour time frame. Yes, short position on dollar index, long position on GBPUSD on Monday. Both on Monday analysis that I've done. GBPUSD 4-hour time frame, dollar index 4-hour time frame. So GBPUSD 4-hour time frame, the market tells me exactly. It shows me exactly what I definitely expected to see. As I'm shows you before, and the market making accumulation, which is preliminarily supply, bias climax, automatic rally, secondary test, a sellers climax, automatic rally, secondary test in page B, secondary test in page B. This is the subprint, and this is a burner break of market structure. This is kind of old stuff I used to do back in the day, but now I'm not just the type of trader who used to use the wake up. It's kind of not just been good for me. This is the reason why. So we took out the buy side liquidity here, and the structural market already shifted and started to making series of high. So makes sense for me to take a buy position. So I'm just gonna shows you this was the area I like to take a short position from, if I can remember. Just gonna delete all of this. Yeah. So I'm just shows you this was our trading range from here to here. If I remember, yeah. If I can remember, this is exactly what I've been told you. This was an area that I like to take a long position from this area, and this is going to be inducement. The market has to induce some orders before the real move of the market started to begin. So at London session, I'm telling you, you see, before I know the exactly direction of the bias of the market, which is long position, and I'm in the right time of the market, which is when the London session, and I know the directional bias, which is bullish scenario, and I am at the right time, which is London session. Just my mind is just not taking this, not just be more focused on to take a long position from here. After we see the sweep of this previous Asian high, and we sweep the previous daily high, which is here, buy side liquidity being taken out. So I see the M5 time frame confirmation. That is the reason why I took a short position from here. You see the position size, and then so just move this aside because this action didn't happen. So this was a short position that I took. Two losses, guys. You see the two losses. I took two losses from here. The first one is here. You see here. Yeah, the first one is here, and the second one is here. I took two losses trying to take a counter trend. I know it is a counter trend. It's not just a high probable setup, but I'm just didn't understand why I'm doing this. I'm totally honest with you. I don't understand why the hell I taking the short position, because we took out the buy side liquidity and we took out this Asian high and we took out the previous structure, which is three confluences for me. The market is about to go down, and I see, and as I'm told you, I see the empire time frame when a trend shift from bullish to bearish. Then I decided to take a short position here, and the market just come back a little bit and took me out. And the market run almost 2%, I think, 1.5%, and hit my BE. Not BE, hit my SL. No, I'm not moving my SL. The market didn't broke the previous structure, so I didn't move my SL to BE, so it's all good. Just follow my plan. I lost two trade. I'm done for the day. So this is the action that the market has been done. Broken this high, wicked above this high, broken again, wicked above, broken again, wicked above, broken again, wicked above. This was just a liquidation grab from the from the mid of the London session till New York session. Then the market just still making liquidation grab to the top side, which is market is telling me that it has to do something. There is something that the market really kind of gonna do. So if I'm not losing just two trade position, definitely kind of look for an entry around this time, because we need to get this. We swept so many liquidity from here that the market been generating from the inside of the range. Yes, for someone may understand where is the where is your your actual trading range. So as I'm told you, we broke this structure in the market fullback. We broke again. Let me clear all of we broke again. We broke this structure. So this is my trading range from here to here. So the market didn't broke with candlesticks close above the previous this high. So this is telling me just this was a liquidation grab, and so if the liquidation grab happened, so the market really has to sell side liquidity has to be grabbing again. You see, generating more liquidity, engineered more liquidity. The market engineered more liquidity, and then it swept it above. Even this low swept it up, and mitigate this demand that caused the BMS to the offside. Well, it's all good. Market didn't come back into this demand and just mitigate this demand and continue. This was happening around New York session. So as I'm told you, I'm not just the type of trader who used to trade London and New York, but in the future maybe I think I can kind of do this. If I became a full-time trader, I'm still not a full-time trader. So on Monday, I know the direction, and I took the opposite, which is my fault. I took the ownership, the responsibility of my losses. Yeah, I'm not the type of person who didn't like to take the ownership of his own fault. I am not. But before I used to do that, but for now, I don't like to take. I am in love to take the ownership of my responsibility or responsibility of my mistake that I have committed. Yeah, I took two losses on Monday, so the following day, which is the you see, I just took you see, the market making another leg, then we see the fullback, then we see another leg just being formed. Let me write it clearly. we broke this, as I'm told, we broke this, then we full back, then we broke it impulsively with a lot of imbalance here. There's a lot of imbalance, which is here is a Tuesday after Monday, then Tuesday, which is the day that was the news event is about to release on 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 2:30 p.m. Nigerian time, which is around here. Look at the timing. Yeah. So before the news event, I'm trading London session, as I told you. I was looking at this demand to take a buy position, but we're gonna be on the chart till the news event was been released. But no, as long as I have my 4%, 3% of the move that I have, that I catch, if the market come here and gives me the confluences that I like to see before I took the entry for buy position, I just have to take some off the table and left the rest continue to run until the news event was being released. I'm on by SLTB. This is exactly what I've been doing, and it's really, really good for me, and it works for me. So the market didn't come back into the extreme demand, and just continue to move on. You see, we broke this BMS here, and then we fall back, but not extreme, just the market need to get this FVG. So FVG traders make some money from here, so we'll continue to move on, and then we broke again. So I think around 11 p.m. 12 p.m. I am done. I am going to go to work. So around this time, 12 p.m. I'm not in front of chat, which is I knew the news event is about to release like 2 hours ahead. So I'm not ready to take a long position from here because of the news event. I'm told you I hate news event. I hate take a trend from news event. But the market swept this low. They didn't close below the previous external. This was another like just the market being formed here to here. The market broke this previous external high. So if yesterday 14th of November there is no news event, I might take a buy position from here. Even this low been swept, I definitely going to take, but for the sake of this news event, I didn't take this. I'm just left the chart and just move on. You see the ghost move. This is the ghost move. Market moved like a crazy yesterday, like a crazy, almost 220 pips. You see, almost 220 pips, 219.6 pips, which is crazy. This is the ghost move. Ghost move. So this is what is happening just like yesterday for the analysis that I make. So it's all good for our time frame, making us another leg. So this is going to be the target that I like to take the full position at. But the news event aligned with our technical analysis, which is okay. Yeah. The XY makes another leg, and the GBPUSD makes another leg from here, this low to this high. So expect to see the pullback here. They'll continue to move on. And the DXY here, we expect to see the pullback at least 50% of the leg. Then we'll continue to move on to the downside. At least 50% of this low. Then we continue to move on to the downside. Oh, it's all good. It's okay. Hope you enjoy this. Took some value from this trade breakdown that I've done. Yeah. So for now, I'm looking to take a short position as long as I see the on the confirmation entry present. Okay. Yeah. Peace.